high-rigidity 5-axis machining center. Ridge-tight structure ensures superior rigidity and precision. 500, 600, 450 millimeters travel, 600 kilograms table load. Axis plus or minus 110 degrees. Z-axis 360 rotation. Perfect for multi-face machining. 40 kilowatts spindle, 57.3 Newton-meter torque, up to 20,000 revolutions per minute. Built for fast, stable aluminum and structural parts cutting. Designed for complex EV H-arm profiles, high-speed, high-precision milling in one setup. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.